I think I got that on video. I just started filming when you did that. We might have got that.
The wheel is good. Holy shit.
Just don't let it catch a rag.
That's what happened, I think.
It said, brrr. That's exactly what happened.
Hey guys, what's up? I know it's been a little while since I've made a video. Sorry about that. It's been very busy with work, and also we adopted another dog. This is Peach, guys. She's a rescue. She was born with a cleft palate, so basically the opening between her mouth and her nose, there was an opening between her mouth and her nose, and she's not able to drink water very well, and she's had a bunch of surgeries her whole life to try to fix that. She might have to have another one because she still has possibly a very small hole in the back. Hopefully it heals up though, we'll see. Just now got the engine back from Marty Brown, but you don't even know about this engine. Basically, I am selling my 5.7 back there. I put it back together, put some good bearings in it. Well, actually not good, brand new bearings in it. Put it back together and we'll be selling it because I just don't feel like dealing with that engine anymore. It's been nothing but bad luck for me. And, you know, we'll let someone else pick it up and hopefully it's good for them. That brings into question here the next step, and that is this engine here. So I think you guys saw me pull the LQ4 out of the junkyard, but that's actually not an LQ4. That is an LQ9 that I got at another time, and I'll show you the little video there. We actually pulled two engines at the exact same time. Right next to each other, the trucks are right there, and I did a little time lapse. I'll show you that right now. What's up guys, we are here and we have found a really good condition Lq9, which Zach is currently working on. And then also what appears to be probably a good condition Lq4, which Tyler is gonna be checking out right now. That's not my name. Tyler's gonna be checking it out, although it looks pretty clean, so we're fine. So we're gonna do a little time lapse here of us pulling both of these engines. Well, there it is, guys. That is going to likely be the new engine, right? Actually, no, this one isn't. This is just an engine. All right, so this is going to be the new engine, right? So the LQ9. No, not this one. How about that one? No? How about this one? No? How about this one? So yeah, that was that. And now we've got the engine here. Needed cam bearings, but it's an LQ9. So I'm hoping after I go ahead and slap all of that stuff in there, yeah, I went ahead and picked up some cam kit stuff, yes, and trunnion bearing upgrades. Everything basically that I did to the 5.7, I will be redoing to the LQ9, minus the lifters. So that's got, this one's got LS7 lifters in it, I believe, whatever the good lifters are. And I just have the stock lifters in my 6.0. So I have the stock lifters in my 5.3, and they were all right. And basically, I think I would hear it before it would take the cam out, you know, if I shut down. And the 5.7 one time had a lifter get stuck for a little bit, and I just ran it for 2 passes and it was totally fine. It freed back up and was good to go. Do an oil change. And we're back, folks. Oh no, Justin, it didn't work. So what we're doing here, guys, is upgrading the springs and replacing the valve seals since we're in here anyway. It's easy to do them and they're cheap. That side's done. This side's being done. Justin, Steve doing their thing. Frank is foreman. Stud muffin. Stud muffin. Socket fell off it. Woo! There she goes.
Steve got splooged. Sorry, Steve.
It's okay, I've been lonely.
Airline ran directly into a compression tester hose, which we're just directly feeding with the airline, and that'll hold the valves shut while you whack them to get them free, and then the tool will hold them down, and that way you don't need the springs to keep the valves from falling inside the cylinder. Steve's building his car. It's going to be LS swapped as well, and he's going to have air conditioning. Did you get your AC lines? Don't do it. Don't put that in the video. That's bad. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming now. Do it. Send it.
Paularino just is on a tail.
Hey, nice.